Welcome to the Problem Corner for Pathfinder 2nd Edition. My name is Model 42 and today we are going to answer the question, can you cast spells during animal form and, by extension, other form spells? This uses the information found in the core rulebook and up to the release of the Book of the Dead. So, the question at hand is more complex than you might think. Casting while you transformed yourself into an animal, may it be a wolf, a lion, a hawk, or whatever else you prefer, seems like a very cool idea. The spell itself does not specify if we can or cannot, though it says we gain the animal trait. Looking up that trait in the appendix, it says that we cannot talk, but again, nothing says we cannot cast spells. Since there are some animals which can, wouldn't it be reasonable that we could at least cast somatic component-only spells? Looking up the question online, I stumbled upon multiple sources, and most DMs would actually allow that, but nobody had a clear answer to that problem. It dawned to me that maybe the appendix could help me once again, and, lo and behold, it did. The polymorph trait, which every single form spell and ability has, states specifically in the second paragraph that the battle form, which those spells grant, prevents us from casting spells, unless specifically noted. That means, we are not allowed to cast spells. But 42, you might ask, what about changing into a dragon with the 6th level spell, Dragon Form? Dragons can cast spells, they can talk, and, as the spell itself tells, can use manipulate actions, though again, it does not specify that we can cast spells, and the dragon trait only gives us immunity to sleep and paralysis, which is nice, but does not help us with the current problem. But there is one thing that kept bugging me, the manipulate part. Looking up the cast a spell action, reading through it, I noticed certain things. 1. Casting with somatic components, material components or a focus, is a manipulate action. 2. Casting with verbal components is a concentrate action. So, a dragon, as well as the elemental battle form, can cast spells, since both can talk and are allowed to use manipulate actions. Animals, insects, plants and dinosaurs sadly not. Again, in all cases, the appendix helped me figure out that problem, so I highly suggest that you study your book, The Holy Grimoire, which are core rules, very carefully, before spreading false information on the internet, which I stumbled upon multiple times. Of course, you are always allowed to change those rules for your playgroup and make it your own, which is okay, but the rules as written state what was explained earlier. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if the prospect of changing into a dragon and casting powerful spells would be exciting for you. For me, it definitely is.